SPINNEYS is a Middle East brand, particularly it's an Arab-speaking region. And if I wanted to be a prominent player in GCC, considering Saudi Arabia's population, almost 33 plus million people living in Saudi Arabia, we have to be there. SPINNEYS has to be in Saudi Arabia. So strategically, Saudi Arabia is one of the prominent countries where we have highlighted and ring-fenced to go. In 2018, we did a research and utilizing AC Nielsen as well as A.T. Kearney research companies. And they suggested that we should be actually entering to Saudi Arabia. It is the right time because of the social economic boom in Saudi Arabia. They are attracting quite a lot of affluent customer base. And so we looked at it and decided that the first city we wanted to go and showcase our brand is Riyadh. So we are going to Riyadh as a first store to open. We have done all the work. We are waiting for other bit of governance procedures, because of legal licensing activities. We have done our construction. We have fit our chillers and freezers and shelves, which is requirement. And initially, only a minimum capital requirement for us to open. As you have seen, our business model is great with a high cash flow generating business. So it will self-fund eventually. Once its business has started moving, we will have a self-sufficient cash fund to open more stores.
But what is the initial amount that you have allocated for the expansion in Saudi to start it off?
If I consider Saudi Arabia, we are going to open 1 store and 3 more stores to go. I don't have how much is the real capital, but we have allocated. It will not cost. It is not a major capital investment, but it's a very minor investment to build the store and buy the equipments and stock.
SPINNEYS intends to open at least 4 stores in the kingdom every year for the next 5 to 10 years, as what you've previously mentioned. So you obviously see that Saudi is going to be a very profitable market for you. What are your projections for the returns from the Saudi market, and what market share do you think it will comprise of your total revenue in the future?
Saudi Arabia is a very exciting market because of the sheer strength of the population and the economy. And there is no player like SPINNEYS who offers a fresh premium offering and private label in Saudi Arabia. So we believe, and from the research studies, we understand there is a market for SPINNEYS. And if I take an example for giving you some kind of perspective, we have a UAE, we have got in the wider UAE, we have got a 12% market share from our target market. But Dubai, where we have opened more stores and where the majority of the stores are from Dubai, we have got a 27% market share. Now, if I take that Dubai model and try to emulate into Saudi Arabia, particularly in Riyadh and Jeddah, these are the 2 cities where I'm going to open stores, and we will be able to make a good impact because we are going to serve the affluent customer base and those customers who are looking for premium, fresh offering from us. So once we establish and the economies of scale work for us, and we are happy with the Riyadh expansion as well as Jeddah expansion, we will be looking for other cities in Saudi Arabia, and we should be taking we should receive an expected market share in Saudi Arabia.